for day 3 of Java. We are going to see what is there today. I think so. Yesterday we have completed till float, right? Till float we have completed, guys. Correct? Float hosting.
Yes, sir.
Off your video, Savi. So we'll see the next part. Characters. Character data type. We have been cleared up to this. So we have not done the program yet, right? So let me take you towards what we have been seen yesterday, day 2. What we have seen. What we have seen on day 2. Different types of
Data types.
Data types. Which were they? First one, boolean. What it will show? Amar, true or
Only two possible values,
two possible value. One is true
either true or false.
or false. Okay. Then after that, byte, long, byte, short, int, and long. Okay. As we go in an hierarchy, it's 2 times everyone. Short is 2 times bigger than byte. Int is two times bigger than short. Long is 2 times bigger than int. So why this have been used? To save the memory while working with arrays. For this purpose, these have been used. This all have been used for displaying. This have been used for a particular numbering format. Let's say means numbering format you cannot say, means for the numbers it has been used, right? These 4 data types means byte n is equal to 10, okay, or short n is equal to 20, or int n is equal to 40. So this has been probably used for, this is a default data type. Integer is what? Your default data type. And long n has been used for 80. Let's say as per the size I have given the values. Okay. This is your data type value variable. And okay, so after that we have seen float and double. It has been used for pointing values or the decimal, means such type of values, 10.2, 11.2. For pointing values it has been used, and we write f and d in. Okay. After that we have seen character. Okay. It has been used to display character value. Okay. Okay. So till here I think so we have completed yesterday everything. Okay, in deep detail, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now, today, let's see the next one. Sorry for interruption. We'll do now small code. First one, we'll take boolean data type, and we'll see this as an practically. Let's say class. Okay. Now instead of this, let me clear the things from starting. We'll see properly. Now, let's say there is a class. Name will give boolean. Why we are given the name? Because this data type is of an boolean data type. Start bracket, then public static void main. Okay. String args. Okay. So now boolean flag is equal to now syso output printing the flag value, then closing this static void main and closing the class. This is a simple program. What it shows, this is an, I will explain you. This is an name of data type. Sorry, this is a name of class. Okay. Okay, class is an keyword. You knows that, which is an inbuilt function or inbuilt keyword that is defined by Java. It is an inbuilt keyword. If someone asks you, is an inbuilt keyword defined by Java. Okay. Then public static void main string args is your main program. Starts from here. Then you know that what is public. Public is an access specifier. Public is an what? Access specifier. Then static is what? As a keyword. If your method has been static, no need to create an object. You know that if your method is static, no need of method is static, no need of what? No need of creating object. Thereafter, void return type. You know that void is what? A return type. Okay. And this is an command line argument. Main is method. Main is method. This is what your command line argument. Then starting bracket. Okay. Then this is what? This is your data type. Okay. This is variable. And it takes only two values. Either it will be true or either it will be false. And sys system out printing the value of flag. So we'll share the screen and do this code. We'll share the screen and do this code. Hello. And see its default value is false. default value. Default value is false. Yes, who will do this code? Kon karta? I will do from my side at once. This screen was been visible to you all guys, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That's why I'm starting Eclipse. So see, now the core Java and project I'm clicking to SRC, basics of Java. Now I'm clicking, right click, new, click to the class. I'm giving the name boolean. Okay, it's a data type, clicking to the public static void main, finish setting off. Now here it comes. So you can check it out. It is in name of class. Okay. Then after that, yeah, let's say public static void main. Now, simple. If you want to use it, how could you use it? So BOOLEAAN is equal to UA. So this is what simply we have been used then YSO tab. One
Sir,
second.
no need to specify variable.
Here what we'll do, instead of a, we'll use flag. Okay. And after this, yes, y, yes. We'll pass the value of flag. Okay. And now, what is this the name of class? Your main function. Main function. Then over here, what starting bracket of class. This is what is boolean. This is and data type. Okay. What is flag?
Variable.
Flag exactly, Amma. It's an variable. That what is true? It is an value. Okay. What is it? Is an output statement. Now I'm executing it. See, you're coming to the value it has been showing, right? Let's say first one run, after that we'll make changes in. Okay. Try to run this, please. Yes, I'm stopping the screen. Who will share the screen and let me know? Yes, guys. Sorry, 1 second. Please be fast. Already done. Okay. Anybody else who has done this? Urmila?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Other people? Now we'll see the next code. Okay. After that, which data type it is? Byte data type, right? Okay. सगळ्यांचं झालं का? आलं का हे सगळ्यांना? Please check it from your side. Everything has been completed or not? Hmm? Everyone's program has been completed, guys.
Yes.
Okay. Next, sharing my screen. After that, new class Byte. Yes. Okay. Before completing that, see when I'm trying to put it something over here. Okay. Is it taking? Is it taking? Let's say I'm trying to put one, I'm trying to put this thing. Whether it is taking, that's what I want to show you. It takes only which type of values?
Either true or false.
True or false. Cleared, everybody? So next to that, I have taken an code of byte now. So, so what is the use of this? So what byte has been used? Okay, public static void main. I would take byte byte data type is equal to range. What is range here? Okay, you can use in this way, and again range equal to 1
This variable.
4. Okay, you can use in this way also, but it would make an confusion. Okay, I will come to this point also. After that, SYS O. Okay, so this can also be done, or you can use directly instead of writing it twice equal to 1 to 4. Okay, you can write in this way what we have been using on regular basis. Right? Clear? So coming back to the point. So byte has been used. See, it takes very less memory as compared to the short and int, right? It's 4 times smaller. Okay, its value range from, I will just let you know the range. They will not ask you any question. What is this? Name of class. Okay, name of class. Range value is -1 to 4 to 1 to 7. Range value. If certain value of variable is within 1 to 4, no, sorry, this is 1 to 8, 128 to 127, then it is used instead of int to save money, save memory. if your value range is between this 124 to 127, then it has been used. Let's say it's greater than 129. Okay, what it is showing, you can check it. I'm taking 128. What it is showing? What it is showing? Guys, what is the range of byte? At what range it has been used? Minus 128 to plus 127.
127.
Okay, I'm using the ending one 127. Is it showing the error? Is it
No, it
showing the
will,
error?
No, sir.
it
No.
will not show.
Okay, if I'm taking minus 126, 127. See, it is showing the error, right?
सर ते
128.
तिथं इक्वल टू राहिले म्हणून एरर दाखवते.
एक मिनिट आता झालं असेल, पण त्याच्या अगोदर बघितलं ना तुम्ही. Minus, it's not showing. If we are going greater, then only it's showing an error. Let me एक minute. Minus. It's not taking. Okay. It's taking in when we are going above the range 129. It's showing an error. See? Clear? All of you? 27. Right? So I'm printing it now. So you can use both the methods. You know that it is a name range, then main function. And this is your byte is what? Byte is data type. Range is what? Your variable. And 127 is your value. And after that is your output statement.
सर तिथं डेटा टाईप राहिले. डेटा.
One second. This is your output statement. Here, if I run this code, you will get the values. But if I'm trying to enter the value which exceed the range, it is showing the error. Clear, everybody? It's not taking it down bottom value. It's not been showing the error. I don't know. What problem do we have? Clear about byte?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next to that is your short. So
Sir, one quick question. So
yes.
just like Byte has a range of minus 128 to 127.
Yes.
So does is every single data type have their range values?
Yes, range values they have, but they no one will ask you in an interview. But let's
Okay.
say only why I have taken off this byte, or why I will show you off an short, because it can be said, or it can be calculated, or it can be memorized in your memory. It can be kept in your memory. The thing is that if you go above the short, let's say it's quite bigger integer, all right, minus 2 raised to 31 to 2 raised minus 2 raised to 31 minus 1. 32-bit signed complement it has been taken. So that's not possible to keep in your mind, right? Okay, so
Yeah.
each and every data type, which is an integral data type, right? Integral. We have seen in the hierarchy, integral, right? Integral and non-integral, primitive, non-primitive. In primitive, integral part, and boolean is another part, right? We have seen that hierarchy. Got it?
Yeah.
Hierarchy we have seen, right? That you seen data types
Yes.
are divided into
Yes.
two: primitive, non-primitive. Primitive is again divided into boolean and integral. Integral is divided into integer and float. Integer, byte, uh, short, long, then float and double, decimal, non-decimal. Got it? I think so. You have been just seen that things. I think so. Okay, if you're not seen, please go through it, guys, once again. After this, after the byte, we'll see short. We'll take a new code class, then yes, HORT. I think so. You have completed with this code of byte, right? So now, what's the range of this short data type? That's quite so simple. Minus 3 to 32,768 to 32,767. Okay. So coming back towards our point, this main point, public static void main, hitting enter over here. Then after this, okay, let's say dot. Okay. So take any variable, let's say t equal to minus 100. Okay. And yes, y, yes. Oh. So what does this? The range is was minus 3 2 up to this. Okay. Come towards byte once again. Let me check. See, it is showing an error. If I'm going towards minus 200, it's showing an error because that is a range of what? God, not of an byte. Clear? Now I'm coming to the byte. Confusion clear, guys? See, its range is minus 32768 to this thing, right? I was taking wrong value, means I'm taking nearby only, minus something, okay, minus 128. Okay, so I should take the as we go down the in minus, the values have been getting incremented. So I have taken it wrongly, and as we have seen of in short, let's say I'm putting this value over here in the byte. Okay, 200 value, so it is showing me an error. Okay, right? Clear? So this is an often short. So if I'm running this code, taking the value, okay, and it is a range of that value. Clear? It is what? 2 times greater. It is 2 times greater than the what? It's 2 times greater than what?
Byte.
Yes,
Byte.
exactly. Okay. So you know that short is what I will write in short is data type to which data type t is variable to which the value 200 is assigned. Okay. Clear, everybody?
Yeah.
You can check it. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So, I think so. You guys should. Okay. Then run it. Byte. After short, what has been there? The regular one, which we people are been using, known as what?
Int.
Int. Exactly. Now we'll see what is int. New code, new class, integer, public static void main. Int. So what is the range of this integer? I will type over here. So this is in comments. This line is been used for this two backward slashes are been used for commenting purpose, right? Its range is what? -2. Okay. Raised 31 to -2 raised. Let me check. Sorry. Just give me a minute. Overturn. 2 raised 31. Not minus. Here it is just 2. 31 minus 1. Clear? Here it is your integer int. Now take any variable you wanted. Let's say again we'll take range. Okay, equal to. Let's I'm typing equal to -4 to 5 0 0. Okay. Yes, y, yes. Oh, so it's not been calculated. How you can keep in mind? You can keep this thing in your mind, but how you can keep, let's say, here it has been, okay, such type of value. Let's say here it has been, how you could keep in your mind, right? So here integer is your data type, range is your variable, is your value, integer is a name of your class, system.out.println. Clear, everybody, till now? So it is what it is. It is 2 times greater than what? It's 2 times greater than what? What? Guys, please answer me.
Short.
What? And 4 times greater than
Byte.
byte. Okay. Clear, everybody? Hmm? So next to this, Next to this, which we have been seeing. Next to integer, what comes?
Long.
Long. So see, we'll take it and long, and we'll see the range of that also. New class long, long, long. That's it. Public static void main. Okay, now. So this has been used in the versions of Java after Java 8 or later. Okay, once it has been used since Java 8 or after that. Okay, so while coming towards this point, if I write down the value over here, it is minus 2 raised let me check, 2 raised 63 to 2 raised minus 1. Okay, okay, now over here. So that is the range what I given. Long is your data type, range equal to minus c. It's what? 4 2 3 3 2 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, L. You have to write L semicolon. Okay, and after that, simple the regular thing, output statement. What we have been using here, let's say range, and let's say now what I'm trying to do. I'm removing the L. So before long, we have seen byte, we have seen short, we have seen integer. Does it was required to put here? Does it been required to put here B? Does it been required? Sorry, Control Z. Does it was been required to put B over here? Required? Guys, what I'm asking.
No,
So in case of L, we have to mention it, right? Clear, everybody?
Yes.
yes, sir.
So this is in range. This is what all about long. Okay, clear? After long, see the next one. What will be the next one? Long. Float, right? Float has been there. We'll use float, new one, class, float data type. Now, see, it has been used generally for what purpose, guys? Floating point values. I would write over here. Simply, I will come over here because this is a new one. Clear the canvas. See, what does float type? The float data type is a single precision 32 bit, floating point. Okay. Okay. Single precision floating point. Default value is what? Default value
0.0.
0.0 f. Okay. So now let's check it. Okay. What is the use of that? We'll see the code. Simple. I think so. I have not taken class float. Now I have not picked that, not selected the option of public static void main, so I have to return it by myself. Static void main. See, here now I will tell you string string ings strings. Now see, if we not take how common mistakes we guys have been making. Args. See what should be there? Public static. This string should be capital. Keep in mind, this string yes is not been there. Only string is been there. So yes should be capital. Right? Clear? Now here, this bracket should be started. If I remove the brackets, see it will show the errors. Right? So bracket is important, public static void main. And if I make this capital, so it will also not work. It will show an error. So it should be small. This public should also be smaller, not bigger one. Okay. And let's say I'm taking this brackets off. Okay. See, is anything been happening? Now let's try to run the code without this. Load. We'll take a number as a data type. After that, equal to minus 43.8. What we have to write now? It's showing an error. As long, what we have to write?
Yeah.
F we have to write. Clear? And after this, SYSO, enter. And now just number. I'm putting it. Right. So see guys, if I'm running this code right now, what it has been showing to me? Which value it is showing to me? See what I'm doing, right, guys. See, I'm removing this. What it is showing me? FX error it is showing. Is it showing right? Check it out at downside. Main method not found
Yes.
in class. Basics of Java.float. Please define the method as public static void main. It's showing that. Please define the method as per this. Okay, so I'm copying this one. And I'm pasting it. Now see, it is executed. So you can just do one thing. You can write it over here also. No problem of this two array brackets, or you can write it here. No problem. So if you're doing this practice, so there might be an when machine test will be there. They will just misplace it or just remove it, and they will remove the check out the errors in the code, right? So in this way, they will do that. So after float, what will be the next?
Double.
What will be the next? Double, right? Okay. So double, as its name implies, it's what? It's a double precision. Float is what? Single precision. Let me finish this so that I can understand, I can explain you guys. Float is what? Float was what? It was a single precision. Okay. Means simply we can say the size of double is double than the float. That's it. Keep this thing in your mind. Okay. Hmm? Clear, guys? So now let's see an example of that. Okay. Double double data type is number equal to, let's say, 3.3. Okay. See, in float and long, we need to write F and L, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But
Yeah.
in this case, yes, not needed. Then check it. Needed, can write also. So if you write not right, it will not throw an error, right? So I will explain. This is an last code of today's session. So double is name of your class, right? This is obviously your main function. After that, you can see here data type double variable name number. Okay. And value is what? 3.3, right? So, and this is what simply your output statement. Okay. Clear? And if I run this, you can check it, the value, right? Hmm? Once again, see how we can do it. Simply try to understand. This is your package name. This is your access specifier. This is your class name. Sorry, this is an keyword. Sorry. This is an inbuilt keyword. This is your class name. Okay. This is an keyword. Using this, no need of object that is to be created. After that, for return type, this is your return type. This is your method. Okay. Double does what? Your data type. This is your variable. And this is the value assigned it to the number. And this is your output statement. Clear? Hello guys, clear everything?
Yes, sir.